QuickBooks Online makes it easy to work with your accountant because you can invite them into your company to make changes remotely or from any device that they have access to the internet. To send that invitation to your accountant, click on My Accountant and then enter your accountant's email address right here. Once the invitation is sent, your accountant can open the email and confirm that they are your accountant. From that point on, they'll be able to log into your company file. If you don't have an accountant, you can also click Find a Pro to Help. And from this menu, you can search based upon your location, service provided, industry served, and also which version of QuickBooks you have. Each Pro advisor lists their services and also has handy reviews. You can click on any one of their entries to find out more about them. Once your accountant is invited, they can log in at any time and help you out.